What's up there, everyone? So in this video, we're going to be unboxing the new Apple Watch Series 4 and setting it up with my iPhone. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So here we have this beautiful white Apple Watch Series 4 box. Has the plastics on it. So just a plain white box here on all sides. It just says watch at the top, and here at the bottom it has the info on the watch. It says Series 4 space gray aluminum case with black sport loop, 44 millimeters. And here's some other basic information on the serial number and such. Let's go ahead and rip this open. There we go. Let's remove these plastics out of the way here. And let's pull these flaps back so that we can open the box. There you go. So there we have it. Here's the box for the Apple Watch Series 4. So the watch must be in here. And then here on the back we have some more information on the Apple Watch. And look what we have here, the black sport loop. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can check it out. So it looks like we have some paperwork here. And there we have it. So let's peel this off. It's a very soft-like material. And surprisingly, it sticks very good. So let's go ahead and open up the box here for the Apple Watch now. There you go. So here we have a quick setup guide here. Let's put these to the side. And here we're going to have the wireless magnetic charger. Here we have the Apple plug wall adapter. And here we have the Apple Watch. Let's remove this little cover here. So look at that beautiful looking screen, 44 millimeters. And here we have the back. Beautiful looking Apple Watch, a little bit thinner than the 3 series and bigger as well. So here on this side we have the power button, a small microphone input, and the crown. Let's go ahead and place the sport loop on. Slide it in until it clicks on both sides. Let's go ahead and power it on. Slap it on the wrist and tighten it up. Just curious, want to do a quick comparison here to my old watch that I was using. So not a bad looking watch that I was using, but doesn't compare to the new Apple Watch Series 4. So let's go ahead and activate it now. Let's open up the Apple Watch app on the iPhone and let's start pairing. So focus it in on the little square and it should read it instantly right away. Looks like I have to update mine's here, so I'm gonna hit update now and let's follow through the settings. So it looks like it's updated now and the Apple Watch is paired. So let's set it up as a new Apple Watch. Here are the terms and conditions. So let's go ahead and disable location services. Here it's just letting you know that the settings are shared from your iPhone to the Apple Watch. Here you can go ahead and create a password if you choose. And here it's letting you know that if your heart rate is 50 beats per minute, it's going to send you a notification, as well as if it goes above 120 beats per minute. Here it's letting you know that if you hold the lock button on the Apple Watch, it will allow you to dial emergency. And trying it out, it does work. So let's continue. And this right here is to set up cellular. We'll do that later. So here is the next step to install the apps. So it might take a few minutes to install all of the apps. So you might get this notification just letting you know that your Apple ID and phone number are now being used on your Apple Watch. So let's give it a moment to finish syncing. And there we go, it is finished syncing here, so we are now able to use the Apple Watch. It says welcome to the Apple Watch. This is what the app looks like on the iPhone. Here you can go ahead and view all of the faces available in the face gallery. So tons of different faces here that are available to choose from. So here's the face that I chose for my Apple Watch, the fire and water. I think it looks amazing. So if you press the lock button, you can also choose between different apps that you have open. If you press the crown, it will take you back, and if you press it again, it will take you to all of the apps. If you press on the face, it will allow you to customize or change from side to side between different faces that are available. So pick and choose the face that is best for you. And this is my favorite one. So that is it, everyone. That is the unboxing of your Apple Watch Series 4. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This watch is amazing. Go ahead and give it a like, and I'll see you guys around in the next one. Peace.